BLMA CNC Machine Tools is a comprehensive company specializing in the research, development, manufacturing, and sales of high-end intelligent sheet metal equipment. Our products and services are distributed worldwide, providing you with comprehensive solutions and high-quality services. If you have any requirements, please feel free to contact us. BLMA Double Pump Control, the electrical hydraulic servo. CNC press brake. Dual servo pump control, synchronous control technology, faster speed, higher efficiency, higher accuracy, energy conservation, and environmental protection. A precise numerical control system can achieve precise bending of various metal materials according to your requirements. Double pump control the electrical cabinet. Precision CNC bending dies are equipped. The dies undergo overall quenching. High rigidity frame, automatic control of workbench, mechanical compensation achieving precise bending processing. High performance rear stopper, faster speed, and higher accuracy. Larger stroke and mode height design for convenient bending of large workpieces. Adopting high precision gear and rack transmission for higher accuracy. Higher parameter and configuration design, more suitable for the needs of high-end foreign customers. The X-axis is driven by dual servo motors, resulting in faster speed. We look forward to meeting more customers and witnessing the growth of BLMA CNC machine tools together.